Technology is changing all over the place. I think we're, as a company, using technology ourselves to try and understand where the consumers are, let alone what's going on with the consumers themselves and what they're buying. There's a huge move forward now in terms of trying to track consumer patterns, trying to work out the age and the profile of people going into certain bars. There's a whole piece on bars and where they sit in different neighborhoods. We're even looking at things like cell phone data and construction permit data to triangulate where the consumers are now, which is a fascinating evolution and something that certainly our founder in 1887 would have never conceived would be something that we would use